Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Today I will tell you how to delete temporary files from your laptop and PC. If your laptop and PC doing lag and become slow, then you have to do these two things. I hope it will work and your laptop speed will come fast. So let's start. What you have to do: refresh your laptop and computer, click on search, type shift 5 shift T EMP shift 5. Here you can see again shift 5 from your keyboard, then capital T EMP, then again shift 5. Then this will type in the search bar, and next you have to enter. This dialog box will show in front of you temp mean temporary files. You can see there is many temporary files that case become lag from your computer and laptop. What you have to do: Control A and delete. Here you can see all files become delete. If there some left, no issue, no need to worry. They are left because they are in use. So okay, skip, close this dialog box, then go to empty recycle bin. Here you can see recycle bin, right click, empty recycle bin. Yes, here we go. This was the method. If you have good laptop like 3 generation, 4 generation and above, then you have to do this must. So you will see a big difference. Thank you. Take care. I hope this video will useful to you. See you in comments. Take care. Bye.